The last simple official way to install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. Find the article and read it for yourself. I will include the link in the description. As mentioned earlier, they got rid of the bypass and RO function. Now they've gotten rid of the start MS command. And so if you have Windows 11 in the Pro Edition, you could still do the whole domain name thing. But what happens if you don't have Pro Edition? You have Home Edition. Well, there are still ways to do it, just Microsoft doesn't want you to know about it. So, first, you could create a junk account, and then once the junk account is created, you could go and create a local account. Once the local account is created, you give it administrative rights, and then you throw out the other account. This way you are feeding Microsoft junk, which is what they deserve. Now, if you really want to stick it to Microsoft, you can use Rufus. Or you could do an auto unattended XML file. But personally, my favorite thing to do to stick it to Microsoft is I have an old 21H2 copy of Windows 11, and I can boot right from it, and it will let me do every one of those commands, whether it's going to be the bypass RNO, the MS start command, it'll let me do it all. I could even use the auto attendant, or I could use Rufus with this ISO. So it basically, because it's an older one that Microsoft can't get to, all of those functions work. And it's a big finger to Microsoft. And I really don't give a shit what Microsoft thinks. I'm skipping it because it's my damn computer. Or in the case of my clients, they don't want to give you that information either. So stick your Microsoft account.